Good afternoon, Manoj sir.
Good
afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Chalo, all of you give a great smile. Wish you, sir, with your videos on. Come on, show your faces with a smile. Everybody, this is your last period. Keep your videos on.
And without giving any instructions, switch on your videos.
Fast. Good.
Good.
Everybody in one voice say good afternoon, Manoj sir. Okay, call up to your wish you, sir.
Not join. Few students are only join this.
Yes, they will join. Be in time,
I'll
everybody.
switch on your videos.
Join. Good. Come on.
Gaurav Vyas, what happened? Not feeling well. Okay. Gaurav Vyas.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, miss.
So he took
Good
permission.
afternoon. Amar Patnorkar. Always keep your video on. Just you are putting, then closing. What is this? Amar.
Prathamesh Sada, Pranali Cherka, Ritesh Polshetwar, Samarth Joshi. Immediately, without giving any instruction, don't waste my time, your time.
Ishita, switch on your video.
Switch on your videos. Mokshida Kotalwar, and don't force me remove from my class if you are not listening.
Ruturaj Sakre, switch on your video.
Gauri Sharma. Mokshida, are you there, beta?
Gaurav Vyas.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh Polshetwar. Jalli. Come on, fast. Show your smiley face to sir. Come on, fast. Switch on the videos.
Do your smile. Yes, smile on your face.
Tanish Lauti, switch on the video.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good morning, ma'am.
Susan Miss is also there.
Morning, everybody.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon. Ma'am, my video is on, ma'am.
Anushka Naktani, Ritesh Polshetwar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Switch on your videos fast. Atharva Patil, Tanish Klauti. Fast button.
Krishna, every time I should tell you, come in war. Switch on your video. Nachiket also always warning to be given to Nachiket Chaudhary.
Join fast. See, within 2 to 3 minutes, you have to join any parade, not my parade, any teacher's parade.
Without intimation, you should be prepared.
Krishna Kaminwar, what happened? Are you there? Or remove? Here, last warning for you. If you are not switch on your videos, I remove from my class. Then afterwards, I am not responsible. Huh? Krishna Kaminwar.
You should be so happy that we are seeing you from your house. In class, you are regular, and at home, you're not switch on your videos. What is this? You're feeling lazy to switch on your videos?
Here, I am removing you. Huh? Last warning for you. And I call to your parents immediately from here only. Gaurav Suryavanshi, you also. Ritesh Polshetwar. Rudraksh Pandit, what happened? You are also. Yes.
Krishna, where are you, Krishna? Switch on your video.
Hiren Bhanushali.
Bharat Bhargodev. Vardha.
Vardha.
Good. She's on.
Krishna
Gaurav
Kaminwar,
Suryavanshi.
are you there or not?
Good.
See,
Hiren
I am
Bhanushali.
removing you, huh, Krishna.
Hiren, switch on your video. Tejbir Singh, switch on your video. Tanish, how many times I gave you the warning to switch on your video?
No, miss,
Good.
we will remove from
My video is on, ma'am. Ma'am, my video is on.
Then you're not
Tanish is
visible,
on,
no?
miss.
Now he switched on.
Tate,
Gaurav Vyas.
Ansha Tate. Yes. Abchal. Pratik Lavekar, Janvi Kulkarni. Fast, switch on your videos.
Raman Gaggad.
Vedant Tamil Kantwar. Vedant, switch on your videos, bata.
Shruti Dhaure. Good. Achal Kaur, switch on your video.
See here. Yesterday we learned about the how to create and publish web pages, blogs. First, I revised the yesterday's some topic, and today we will study the offline blog editor. Now, yesterday we learned about the how to create the blogs online. Now, today we will study how to create the blogs offline. Okay. Now, what is the purpose? What is blog? Yes, anyone? What is blog, bata? Blog is also known as weblog, and term weblog was coined by John Berger in
John Berger 1997.
John Berger in 1997. And blog is also known as weblog. But what is blog? Blog is an online diary or online journal or informational website displaying information in a reverse chronological order. Reverse chronological order means newer post appearing first. Whatever post you are posting on your blogs, it will be appear first and day-to-day base. Okay, that is known as reverse chronological order, and it is a platform where a writer or group of writer, businessmen, or any person or famous personalities like Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, they can share their views, ideas, or thoughts on day-to-day base, and they can discuss with their followers on individual subject. Okay, and what is the purpose of this blog, online blog? Yes, what is the purpose? Some people are used to promote business or their company. Means for marketing, they are used for blogs. Some are used to share views, thoughts, or ideas. And some are used for entertainment or for fun. And some are share their great experiences with the others. For that purpose, they are used the blogs. And in that, who is the blogger? Yes, who is blogger? Those who maintain a blog is called the blogger. Understand? Those who maintain a blog is called blogger. Suppose if you are creating your own blog, means you are a blogger. And what is in blog? Actually, blogs are the textual article, means only text content. Okay, because we are sharing our thought, but sometime you want to share some audio, video, or graphics or images. That also we can upload with our articles. Okay. Now see here. Now, if you compare with the website, what is the difference between website and blogs, and how to create the blogs? There are various types. Many websites, free websites are available. In that, some are the very famous: WordPress, www.wordpress.com, www.blogger.com, www.blog.com, www.weebly.com, and www.blogsome.com. These 5 are the very famous websites available on means anywhere. With the help of this, we can create our own blog. Yesterday, I taught you practically how to create the online blog by using the WordPress. But what is the exact and real difference between blog and website? What is website? Yes, website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other. What is website? Website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked. Link means with the help of link you are connecting to each other. It's called the link. Means first we have to prepare the individual web pages. What is web page? A web page is an individual part of that website or page is called the web page. Or what is in contained in web page? In web page means markup language and actual text is contained there. What is the use of markup language? Already you learned in the 7th and 8th standard HTML, hypertext markup language. It is a markup language, means it has a pair of tags, open tag and close tag. In that you have to keep your text or you have to contain the text. Then only the effects will get to that text or images. So in Notepad, you have to use the HTML and text. Then you can create your own web page. As like many web pages, first we have to create it, and at the end they are linked in a required sequence. Then your website will be formed. Now, what is web page? You understand difference between the website and web page? Yes, web page is an individual part of that website, and website is a collection of web pages. Now, what is home page? When the user or you or I, anyone visit to any website, the first page is displayed. That page is called the home page. Okay. When the user visit to any website, any first page is displayed, that page is called the home page. And always home page is welcoming for the users or readers because it contains all the entire information about the website. And all pages are linked with that page only. That's why the first page of any website is called the home page. Now you tell me, what is the real difference between website and blogs? See here, blogs are a type of website. Blogs क्या है? It is a type of website or it is a part of website. But website is not a blog. Website blog रह सकता है क्या? नहीं रह सकता है. But blog is a website. And who can use the blogs? Blogs are used for individual use, individual purpose. But websites are used educational institute or means governments. Okay, commonly or organization. For that purpose, use the website. And website are static in nature, means it is a fixed. Whatever content uploaded on website, it will not be changed on day-to-day basis. Frequently, kabhi to bhi change karte hain. But when you use the blogs, that time what will happen? On day-to-day basis, we are updating our new articles. Okay, in a reverse chronological order, means newer post comes first. That is the major difference between blog and website. Yes, any doubts in yesterday's lesson? Yes, any students?
No, sir.
Any doubts, Bata? If you have any doubt, you discuss with me. Now I am sharing screen, and today we will study the offline blog editor. Okay. Now, what is offline blog editor? How to use the offline blog editor? Practically, I show you, and if I have time, I will take the Menti quiz also. It depends on my time. See here. Now your 6th session is using offline blog editor. Now, what is the purpose of offline blog editor? We can use online as well as offline. Yesterday, we learned the online blog editor. If you want to use online blog editor, you need to internet connection all the time. But when we use the offline blog editor, it is a tool for blogger who will maintain the blogs. That person, उनके लिए क्या हो गया? ये tool हो गया. It lets you create a key blog post without an internet connectivity. Okay, where internet connectivity is poor, networking problems are created, their offline blog editors are used. Suppose in remote areas, people are facing lot of problems, internet problems. Some are facing the networking problems. Okay, that time we can use the offline blog editor. Means whatever your articles, your content, first we are creating offline blog editor, and when you are publishing, at the time of publishing only you need to connect to the internet. Okay, जितना भी आपको ब्लॉग्स करने का टाइम रहता है वहां पे नेट की जरूरत नहीं रहती है. In offline only we can create the our blogs, but at the time of update or publish post, that time you need to connect to the internet. Okay, for that purpose only we use the offline blog editor. Internet connectivity, don't talk. Where internet connectivity is poor. Ayush, who is Ayush? Here, where internet connectivity is poor, networking problems are created, or when you want to save the net, or suppose you are a new user, you don't know how to operate the online blogs, that time we can use the offline blog editor. If you are a new user, if any mistake will happen, there only you can sort out before publishing the post. Understand? Now let's see here how to use the offline blog editor. Here, for offline blog editor also, several websites are offered there, free on offline blog editors. In that, Qmana, Windows Live Writer, BlogDesk, then Beats, MS Word, BlogJets. These all are the very famous offline blog editors, and all are freely available. FOSS, free open source softwares. Okay, no need to pay any charges for that website. In that, in your textbook is given Qmana. Book में क्या दिया वाला है? Qmana. How to use the Qmana offline blog editor. But I show you the here BlogDesk because Qmana is nowadays not working. Okay. See here. Then also I show you here on textbook Qmana as well as practically BlogDesk. Now see here Qmana. How to use the Qmana? First you open the Google browser. Okay, then you type the keyword there, download Qmana, or go to the authentic website Qmana and download the Qmana exe file and install on your system. Then shortcut will be created. Otherwise, first you click on start button, then go to the program, see here as like start, then start menu will appear. In that you search, program list is here, or you can search directly here. Okay, and then click on Qmana. Otherwise, if you are created shortcut, you double click on that shortcut, your Qmana tool will be open, application will be open there. Okay, now your Qmana will open, then this dialog box will, you can see there. What is the use of this here? Here, add blog wizard. Yes, you zoom karo mobile ka screen. Okay, now here you can see add blog wizard dialog box. Here you have to provide the URL and then click the next. Whose URL we have to provide here? Yes, you need to an existing blog account to use with Qmana. वो तो अपन निकाल ही लेंगे. But whose URL we have to provide here? Online blog editor. किसका provide करना पड़ता है? Online, which we are using. See here, yesterday I created here in WordPress. अभी यहाँ पे देखो WordPress का यहाँ पे URL. This URL. Which online blog editor you are operating, that online URL you have to provide here in this blog editor. Okay, and then click on the next. Okay, and then click on finish. Once you click on finish, a similar window will appear on your system. Okay, from here already whatever post you are posted, articles are posted, here you can see the list. देखो यहाँ पे my pointer is here. Already you can see the post here, article list. You select the article which you want to update or publish on your blog. Okay. If your article is not ready, then how to create new article? Go to the file here, then new option will be there. Click on new post. Here, go to the file and click on new post. Once you click on the new post, then such type of screen you can see in your system. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. And here the work area, here you have to type your articles. Okay, and above that, this one you can see the one text box. Here you have to type the title and then go to the file and click on the save. Then your article will be saved in this list here in navigation pane. Here right hand side you can see your saved article names. Then you select your article and then here is the green dot is arrow is here. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है क्या? देखो arrow. Here is the green arrow is here. Click on the publish post. Okay, as like we can update. फिर ये publish कहाँ पे हो जाएगा? Yes, where it will be published.
Ayush, what's going on? Ayush, where are you? Ayush, why are the children playing with the mobile?
Ayush,
Move your family members from there.
Ayush is in your class. Ayush Rathi or only Ayush miss?
Actually, we have Ayush Rathi, sir, but there is this student who is this Ayush.
No miss. He is
Every time
writing-
he is disturbing in
No, I am
middle.
removing him. Okay, removed.
We are
miss.
having only Ayush Rathi.
Ah, yes, miss.
Sir, I am Ayush Rathi.
Yes, Ayush Rathi only. But who is Ayush that he is disturbing in the
No,
middle?
Miss, removed.
Okay.
See here. Now, as like, see here, once you publish your post, where you can see your post, online blog editor, whose URL you are pasted in offline blog editor. Okay, WordPress का जो मैंने URL दिया था, WordPress में आपको आपका पोस्ट दिखेगा. As like we can use the offline blog editor. Understand? Yes. At the end, we have to click the publish post. Yes, any doubt, students? Yes. Yes, anyone
So
have
first-
doubt?
So first we have to connect online blog editor, then only we
No
can.
need, no need. Here, no need. Only for URL. If you know the URL, directly you copy paste URL anywhere and that URL only you post there. अगर online रहा तो फिर offline blog editor का क्या use है? Now see here, practically I show you this blog days. Okay, blog days भी दिखाता हूँ मैं अभी. See here, now my net is connected. But if my net is not connected, then also I can utilize this offline blog editor. ये use कर सकता हूँ. Blog days and Qmana both are the same. उसमें कुछ भी problem नहीं है. Okay. See here, already I created the here article sum. Here the right hand navigation pane you can see here ABC and Daisy Lotus. Now I show you again how to create the new blogs. Okay. Go to first you double click on blog days or go to the start. The same procedure is there. Then go to the file and drop down menu will appear. In that you select the manage blog. दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Click here manage blog. Okay. Now here already list of blogs you can see here. But you don't want post these blogs, articles, and you want to be created new blogs. Then you click on the new. अगर ये नहीं चाहिए तो इसको delete कर दो. देखो यहाँ से delete कर सकते हैं. Okay, in previous spread I showed to Daisy Lotus student. That's why name is here. Now you click on new. Okay, then here you have to give the title for your article. अभी मैं आपकी क्लास का देता हूँ Lily Rose. Lily Rose. Okay, you can give any as per your content. You can use their name. See, give your blog name, meaningful name. It's related with your articles. Then click on the next. Now here he is asking for blog address. Whose blog address? Your online blog address. Offline blog editor use करना है तो online में आपका account रहना जरूरी है. Without online blog editor, you can't utilize this offline blog editor. Now here, which address I have to provide here? Which URL I have to provide here? See here, my online blog editors. कौन सा दूंगा मैं? ये online का, WordPress का. See here, from where I will get? From the address bar. See here, this is the my URL. HTTPS NPS 971. From here I can copy or you can paste anywhere. Open this one and paste here. See here. Now my path is copied here. Then only my this offline blog is connected to online blog. And here is the next option. Now here you can see Weblog system. Weblog means here we are using the WordPress. Okay. Here the some are the blogs names. अपने WordPress use किए इसलिए WordPress लो यहाँ से. Okay. Now our version is greater than 2.2. That's why you select this greater than 2.2. Click on the next. Then here entry point. Again you click on the next. Now here use the here login. I not configured here already. Means configuration करना पड़ता है. Then we can create the login name and password. Okay. So I can use here any login. Okay. Then click on next. Then blog ID. Okay. Once you configured, click on the blog ID. अभी अपन configured नहीं किए इसलिए आएगा नहीं blog ID. Configuration किए तो blog ID भी आता है. So error will show here. Once you got the blog ID, you type the here blog ID as like your OTP. OTP आता है ना captcha test या OTP. As like automatically blog ID will be created. You provide the blog ID and then click on the next. Okay. Okay. Some blog ID I will provide here. Then click on the next. Okay. And again at the end click on the next. And then next finish. देखो यहाँ पे आ गया देखो Lily Rose. Okay. See here Lily Rose आ गया यहाँ पे. See here. Now you type the here title. जो भी title है type करो. Then whatever your contents you type here. Okay, and click on the save here. कहाँ पे सेव हो जाएगा? In Lily Rose. And उसके बाद क्या करना है? Here is the green color button. What is the use of this? You have to publish the post. You click here. Okay. But अभी error आएगा. मैं upload करने जाऊँगा तो error आएगा because not configured. See here, if your offline blog editor is well configured, then automatically your this content will be uploaded. कहाँ पे upload होते हैं? Online blog editor पे हो जाते हैं. और आपको कहाँ दिखता फिर ये? यहाँ पे दिखेगा. As like we can use the offline blog editor. Here we can see the contents automatically. But at the time of publishing or update, that time you need to be connect to your online blog editor और इंटरनेट कनेक्ट चाहिए तो ही वो वर्क करेगा. है क्या समझ में? Yes, anyone have doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Online, how to use the online blog editor and offline blog editor? When we use the blog editor, offline blog editor, where internet connectivity, networking problems are there we can use the offline blog. But at the time of publishing articles or blogs, you need to be connected to the internet. Yes, MS Office is not a blog. See here, Microsoft Word is a offline blog editor. Configuration means whatever information they ask na, that we have to provide there. Configuration means they will ask some the username, password. Okay, that only we have to provide there. Understand? Any doubts regarding online and offline blog
No,
editor? See here, school में भी नहीं ले सकता था practical base, but in online I am taking practical base also and theoretical also. Both I show you here online also. Now you are ready for Menti quiz? Yes, because
Yes, sir.
I can't start the new session because the new session is your online transaction. In 5 to 10 minutes I can't complete online transaction. So I will take the quiz and tomorrow you have to read the online transaction lesson. because tomorrow I am taking online transaction. It is very interesting topic because you are all are familiar with the online transaction. Most of the students are use the Flipkart, Amazon. Some are use the money transfer also, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS. That we will study in the tomorrow's session. It's very interesting. Tomorrow's session also online transaction. And here only I show you how to use the Flipkart, Amazon, or here my account also I should show you how to use the IMPS, RTGS. Directly मेरा account open करके आपको दिखाता हूँ बैंक का. हाँ, online only I show you.
Menti.
Yes, I am taking Menti quiz. Don't worry. Now we have time here, 9 minutes. Yes, you are ready for Menti quiz. Switch your browser, means screen.
Sir, code. So what's the code?
Code 2300834. Yes, use my code 2300834. Good. Two 3000834. Yes, type in your browser www.menti.com. Here, after few days, I am taking the Khout also. Khout is also very interesting.
What?
www.menti.com and use the code 2300834. Join fast, remaining students, you also. Join fast button. My code is 2300834. Here less than 7. Can I start Menti quiz? Because
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
you
Yes,
are
sir.
joining. Wait.
Yes,
One
sir.
minute.
Yes,
And use
sir.
your name, Ray. I am maintaining your record. Some are used the means different names. And if you have any difficulty regarding from networking,
Start.
here directly you call me and ask your doubts. Yes, ready for? Can I
Yes,
start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Yes. 1 to 5 question. Yes, ready for first question. Switch your screen. Dash is not an instant messaging service. Here you don't be in hurry. Your correct answer that is important only. One, now time's up. Check your answers in a graphical way. Firefox. What is Firefox? Mozilla Firefox is a web graphical browser, and rest of the all are instant messaging services. So you think and attempt your answers. Okay. जल्दी लीडर होना है या लीडर बोर्ड में दिखना है ऐसा तुम ये मत करो. Correct answer is important here. Now check the leader board. See here, top 10 student name we can see here. Sumit, Ruturaj, Nachiket, Dhanasri, Riddhi, Pranali, Bharat, Divya,
Pranav, Atharva.
Pranav Katod, Atharva Deshpande. Ready for next question?
Sir, Binod is unknown.
Yes, beta. Yes, question number 2. Ready for?
Switch off the mic. Who is disturbing in middle?
Yes,
Sir,
beta.
unknown name.
Yes, ready? Yes. Ready for next question? Mute yourself. Who is speaking? Which of the following is not an offline blog editor? Cumana, Blogdesk, WordPress, none of this. 3, 2, 1. Now time's up. Check your graphical way answer. WordPress. WordPress is the correct answer because WordPress is a online blog editor. Rest of the here Cumana, Blogdesk is the offline blog editor. Now check the leaderboard. Now top 10 students name you can see in school's leaderboard.
Sumit Karkade.
Sumit, Yash Pandit, Nachiket, Bharat, Ananya, Gangotri, Golegaonkar, type your name, Sarvesh, Kshitija, Netal. Congratulations, Bata. You are ready for third question. Yes, ready for third. Dash is an online diary. Article, text, blog, all of this. 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now time's up. Check your answer. Very good. Most of the students attempted correct answer. Blogs. Very good, Bata. Very good. Now check the leaderboard. Sumit, Yash, Bharat, Gangotri, Ananya, Golegaonkar, Nachiket, Sarve, Kshitija, Netal. Now you are ready for next question.
Actually, it's my printing mistake. Card Golegaonkar, not Sir Bharat Golegaonkar.
Yes, yes. But see, you rename yourself, but next time. Yes.
Yes, it was my typing mistake.
Yes, yes. But next time, use proper name. To update your blog content, click on the title, browse, publish, post, none of this. Your class is very good, responding very well. Now time's up. Check your answer in a graphical way. Publish post here. Browse means browsing karna. Title means give name for your blogs. So in that, see here, when you are attempting answer, you check the options. कौन सा आ सकता है, कौन सा नहीं आ सकता है. Then only you attempt. Now check the leaderboard. Gangotri, Bharat Golegaonkar, Sumit, Akansha, Pranav, Yash Pandit, Vedant, Bharat Marlegaonkar, Ananya, Nachiket. Now last question for you, and time is also very less than 1.5 minutes. Ready for fifth question? Yes. Last question for you. Dash is used for managing the blogs. Here, यहाँ पे most of the student का answer wrong होने वाला है. 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now time's up. Check your answers. पहले ही बताया था मैंने, most of the student का answer wrong होने वाला है. What is the use of username? Username is used for managing the blog accounts. Yesterday only I taught you while creating the account. Username क्या करता है, आपके blogs को manage करने के लिए जो use करते हो username हो गया, managing the blog accounts. URL means क्या हो गया, blog address means your URL. Okay. Now check the leaderboard and less than 1 minute is left. Check today's winner also and immediately you take a screenshot. Wow, once again, Gangotri, congratulations, Bata. Second time, I think. Congratulations, Gangotri. Take a screenshot, Bata.
Congratulations, Gangotri.
She is Miss.